Hello, Professor. I'm John Christian Galasaka, and I'm going to discuss today the future of hospitality, where sustainability meets science fiction, and I'm going to show you how green practices and new technology are changing hospitality, hotels, and resorts, and what role I see myself in the future. And for the introduction, hospitality industry stands as a threshold of revolutionary change, driven by sustainability imperatives and technological innovation, once confined to science fiction. The hospitality industry is changing way too fast now. Climate concern push green practices, and while technology creates amazing opportunities, these forces are changing the Alright, hospitalities, operations, and guest experience. Understanding these key trends is a key for anyone who wants to have a future hospitality in the near future. And for the evolving hospitality landscape, the carbon neutral operation, plastic elimination initiatives, initiatives and high political sources are rapidly becoming industry standards. This can help the hospitality or the organization to maintain the eco-friendly practices. Leading properties now showcase living walls, soil integration, and circular waste system that reduce environmental impact. For the emerging tech, contactless services, biometric identification, smart room environments, and AI-driven personalization are fundamentally changing guest interaction. It could help the organization to minimize the time of the people or their employee to get more get more guests. And for the sustainable and futuristic design and learning. Biophilic design integration or living walls and natural materials create restorative environments. Regenerative design enhances guest experience while supporting global ecosystem. And another thing is smart adaptable spaces. AI-powered environments adjust to preferences, modular furniture, and multifunctional areas, and maximizing efficiency while enhancing personalization. For the energy self-sufficiency, solar, geothermal energy storage, enable off-grid operation, zero-energy buildings, eliminate operational carbon footprint. This could help the organization to minimize the energy consumption and the cost of the operation, and it can help the businesses to reduce the budget to operate. Immersive environment ecosystem. Augmented reality enhances spaces with visual experience. This could help also the guest experience to enhance their staycation or their experiences. This could be a pet great, great innovation to help the organization for a better future. And for the technology and social media revolution. Sustainable technology implementation. Smart home system optimize energy usage based on occupancy patterns, reducing consumption by up to 30%. Water management technologies detect leaks instantly and recycle water for landscaping. Waste tracking system using AI help properties achieve zero waste operation by identifying reduction. Consistent by sustaining the usage of the water, it can help to be eco-friendly of the organization to reduce more power and to operate. Guest-facing innovation for holographic interfaces eliminate physical touch point, enhancing hygiene while using material-based biometric authentication, streamline checking while adding security. The metaverse enables virtual poverty tours before book, reducing unnecessary travel, personalization algorithm, analyze preference to customize stays, automatically maximizing satisfaction with minimizing resource use. And for the food and beverage transformation, closed loop system, AI track the food waste and sites so that they will minimize the waste of the operation. And for the hyperlocal resourcing, optimal resourcing reduces emission while supporting local economies. By supporting or buying the product of the indigenous people, it can also help them to navigate more resources and products. For the data-driven cuisine, AI inventory system reduce waste by 30%. Menu optimization increase satisfaction while accommodating dietary needs. So, by of the new technologies in the near future, for the future of hospitalities, it can help the inventory system to adapt more or to be more productive and with the resources. All the multi-sensory experiences, projection, mapping, and sound designed to create immersive dining, AR overlays, with resourcing, and environmental impact. For reimagining guest experience and engagement, sustainability and technology are redefining hospitality with travelers seeking eco-friendly, immersive experiences. For properties integrating green practices with innovative tech create environmental stays, inspiring 67% of guests to adopt sustainable habits. My role in the near future will be sustainability champion. My environment commitment will guide properties towards a better ecosystem, modifying positive impacts. It can affect positive impacts for all the stakeholders to minimize the budget by using the help of ecosystem. Meta-technology integrator. I implement AI, LAT, and XR solutions for efficiency and dexterity. So the help of the new technologies, it can help their businesses to create more productive experiences to the customers. Change management facilitator. My leadership will drive cultural transformation, developing programs that empower staff to champion this new vision of hospitality. To conclude, the future is hospitality relies on the intersection of sustainability and technological innovation. Together we can create hospitality that sees that honors both our planet and timeless art of meaningful human experiences. And for the references, this is my references and thank you for watching.